How to change Netflix region on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open App Store on your device and then tap on your profile icon on the top right of your screen. Further, tap on your email ID or your name you see there and then tap on the country and region option. Further, go ahead and select the country that you want to change your Netflix region to and then tap on continue and then tap on the agree option you see there in order to agree to the terms and conditions. Further, you will be required to add a payment method and the billing address related to that country. So go ahead and enter that, and with this, your iPhone's country and region will be changed, with ultimately leading to changing your Netflix region. Or you can also simply go ahead and download any sort of VPN on your device that is free and then open the VPN and connect yourself to a VPN with the country that you want to change your region to and then open Netflix. And with this, the region will be changed. So this is how you can change country or region in Netflix. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.